Hello guys, good morning. We will make some carrot olive oil, then we put garlic. Garlic and the rest of the ingredients. Okay? Garlic, onion, tomato. Okay, remember to put the onion and a little bit of curry powder. Okay, that turn. Our carrots is soft already. Carrots. Look at that. Carrot soup. Okay, hope you like my video. Enjoy and be healthy always. Ciao, ciao.